Vectric's EasyCreate is an AI tool that lets you turn a photo or piece of artwork into a 3D model, without needing complex 3D design software. This was actually my first time using it, so I'm learning right along with you. I started by opening the EasyCreate website and uploading a photo of Josie, our French bulldog. Within a few clicks, I was able to easily remove the background, crop the image, and EasyCreate converted the image into a 3D model. What really stood out to me was how much control you have over the result. You can adjust the level of detail, scale the Z depth, edit the height curve, and even scale heights along the X and Y axis. Once you're happy with the model, you can download it as a V3M file and import it directly into VCarve or Aspire to create your 3D toolpath. Outsourcing 3D model creation used to be expensive and time-consuming. EasyCreate simplifies that entire process. For a first-time experience, I was genuinely impressed.